Maestro.
Are you a drunk bastard who can't rap? Is wrapping a present an impossible task during the holiday season? Does it make you want to drink? Well, you're in luck, because we got something for you today, you drunk bastard. The all-new wrapping paper.
It's like everywhere I go and everywhere I look, some bitch-ass nigga trying to steal my flow. But I don't pay him no attention. Oh, should I mention, I'm all about the money and riding in cars with suspension. Gangster rap made me do it.
Get wrapping paper today, folks, and wrap your gifts with ease.